Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 2 litre TDI R-Line DSG 150 PS. Now this white wonder's looking great and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a forward collision warning, an automatic post-collision braking system, distance monitoring, a city emergency brake and 17-inch Singapore alloy wheels. The boot's a good size and it comes with a spare wheel. The interior has a USB port for Apple or Android's CarPlay, a multi-device interface and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.